Hey everyone, welcome back to the LearnDash Beginner Series. In this video, we're going to enable notifications, set up our email settings, create a certificate, and then test everything with a real student purchase. By the end of this lesson, your course will feel complete, professional, and ready for real students. I'll start by installing the LearnDash Notifications add-on. I'm going to LearnDash Add-ons, finding the Notifications extension, installing it, and activating it from the Plugins page. Once it's active, I'll go to the LearnDash Notifications area. Here, you can create as many notifications as you want, but for this demo, I'll only make one, which is a course completion notification. I'll click Add New, give it a title, and set the trigger to Course Completed. Inside the message box, we can use dynamic tags to pull in things like the student's name, the course title, and the completion date. Tags like the first name, display name, the course title, and the completion date. Now, students will automatically receive this email the moment they finish a course. Next, let's move to WooCommerce emails, because this is where most of the student notifications come from. I'll go to WooCommerce Settings, then Emails. Here you'll see all the different emails WooCommerce sends, such as new orders, invoices, completed orders, and new account emails. I'll open Completed Order. If you want, you can customize this template completely by editing the PHP file, but that's advanced, so I'll skip it. The default template looks fine to me, but you can edit the subject, heading, and additional text if you want. Now I'll scroll down to the Email Sender options. Here you can set your sender name, sender email, upload a logo, and change the email colors. I'll upload a logo so you can see how it looks. There are more settings you can tweak, but again, the default options are already good, so I'm leaving most of them as they are. Next, let's create a certificate inside LearnDash. I'll go to the LearnDash Certificates section and click Add New. I'll upload a certificate background and then use the dynamic tags to insert the student's name, the course title, and the completion date. You can position the text using the visual editor and adjust spacing until everything looks right. Once I'm done, I'll publish the certificate. Now I'll attach it to the English 101 course. I'll go to the course settings and choose the certificate from the certificate drop-down. Now let's test the full experience from a real student's point of view. I'll go to the shop page and purchase the English 101 course. I'll use my test card information and complete the checkout. After the order is processed, I immediately get access to the course. Now I'll quickly complete the lessons, topics, and quiz to finish the course. Once everything is marked complete, the system awards me the certificate. Let's open it. You can see the student's name, the course title, and the date. The spacing might look a bit off, so I can go back into the certificate editor later and adjust it. The student should also receive all the emails we set up earlier, including the order confirmation and the course enrollment notification. And that's it for today. We enabled notifications, configured WooCommerce emails, created a certificate, attached it to our course, and tested everything as a real student. In the next video, we'll start beautifying the site and setting up all the front-end pages to make the LMS look clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.